Here we've got a 16 to 19 3 Series. It's the LCI model with the LED headlight assemblies. I believe they're adaptive. Anyway, this customer clearly had an accident. They said everything works. They stopped driving it shortly after. It's a little bit dirty inside. There are some dead bugs inside. However, we're going to clean this up, install a new lens, save the customer a ton of money, have the light look brand new once this is done. And we'll show you the process. It's not a DIY, it's just a service overview, so don't get too excited. But essentially we cut the lens off, extract all the pieces of the channel. That way it's nice and clean and the top is not all damaged. And like what you see from other service providers, they rip into this, they pry it, then they seal it with silicone, and it just doesn't look good. So I'll show you what this looks like once we're done with it. And we aim for a really factory fresh fitment look. This is a Headlight, it's got some staples in it. These are pretty tough to work with, I think, overall. Hella makes some really hella strong sealant and lights. So we'll see how this goes. But again, we take a safer approach. We do it right way. Finished product will speak for itself. I'll show you guys the process and how it looks once it's all done. But yeah, this needs a good cleaning. It needs some love, but we can do that, save you money and get you looking really fresh. So stay tuned and we'll get right to it. All right, here we got everything cleaned up. You can see the original sealant has been removed. The lens has been removed. All the remaining pieces of the lens. We just got the housing sort of mocked up so we can show you what this looks like. But we've cleaned up all those extra bug guts and any kind of splatter that was on the lights. Came out really good, actually. Of course, there's some scratches that we can't take out. But overall, this will look really good once the lens is on. Next step is to fill up the channel with the butyl. That's the headlight resealing product that we use. It's a headlight grade butyl sealant. And it's gonna get ready to put back together with the new lens. So we'll show you how that looks in just a moment. But for now, we're just showing you what this looks like kind of midway the project. It's important to get all the channels clean. That way you get a nice seat on the lens and you don't have any condensation issues in the future. All right, this has been fully resealed, as you can tell. Man, it looks amazing. Honestly, it looks good as new. Of course, if you look inside, you'll see a few imperfections, but we were able to clean out a lot of the bugs and stuff that was just kind of flying in through here. And like I mentioned, we're trying to keep this really fresh, make it look like it was never really tampered with. Factory Headlights use small staples. We use small screws right in the same place. This will just hold the back housing to lens shut, make sure that it doesn't split in the future. So make sure no water gets in, no fogging, no problems. We do offer a warranty against condensation if you have that with our service. And we're confident in our method, so it's a non-issue, but these look awesome. If you guys need something, reach out to us, subscribe to the channel, please. Follow us, leave a comment with your thoughts. I think this came out great, and it's a quick way to save some money and still get awesome results without needing to work with pricing on new headlight assembly, which is expensive, and you're kind of just wasting it. So if you've got the ability and you want to save some money, send over the light to us. We can get you a new lens, and we'll help you out. All right, thanks guys. Take care.